Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Roxana and I am so excited to be here. I got this beautiful tulip year-round easy to make wreath going on. So with that said, let's get started. We are working with this 16-inch grapevine wreath. I also bought this item from the dollar store, which I painted and hooked on wire and pinned onto my grapevine wreath. I made this cute little ribbon with my bodabra. We got wiring on there. We also got some beautiful greenery and we got some tulips. Yes, indeed, I need my wire cutters. Okay, let's get this started. We are just going to get the greenery. Just move our way down. You could glue or you can either wire your greenery and florals in. Just pick it up and like I said, you could either glue or wire your items in. Look at how beautiful this is coming. We are just moving down this way and lovely, lovely. Get this right here. Just be creative and you'll get something going and visualize. Look at how easy and simple this is, everybody. Wow. Beautiful, huh? You can use a variety of different colors to paint your tulip. You'll be having this on your front door and the neighbors will be like, wow, where'd you get that beautiful wreath? I said, I made it. You made it, and it's a special one because you made it. Yes, indeed. I love being here with you guys. You know, you guys just make my day. Thanks for the views and subscribers. I really appreciate you. And look at what we got, everybody. How easy was this? I purchased the greenery at, I think it was Hobby Lobby, and the florals at Joann's. Now we're just going to get our little ribbon on here, and wow, look at with my bodabra. I got to make a video using my bodabra, huh? That's coming up next. We got, I think the end of May, I will be coming on some 4th of July wreaths. So stay tuned for that, everybody. Let me scoot these up a little bit. Right there. Oh, no, that looks cute enough, huh? Like my ribbon is kind of an adjust your... Ooh, look at that, everybody. How beautiful is that? Once again, thank you all for coming to my channel. I appreciate you a lot. And if you got some ideas or just enjoyed my video, consider pressing the subscribe button. You will be notified of my upcoming videos and you will all be helping out my channel grow. With that, much thanks. Until the next video, everybody get that smile on and have a great day. Thank you for watching.